Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.